Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Boeing awarded $2.04 billion contract to continue B-52 commercial engine replacement program. Boeing Defense Systems has been awarded a $2.04 billion task order by the U.S. Department of War to continue work on the B-52 commercial engine replacement program. The award, issued on the 23rd of December 2024, covers the post-critical design review phase of the program. The contract supports the replacement of the legacy TF-33 engines with 8 Rolls-Royce F-130 engines on the upgraded B-52J bomber. Boeing will carry out system integration, modification and testing work on 2 B-52 aircraft fitted with the new engines and associated subsystems. Work under the contract is scheduled for completion by the 31st of May 2033 and will take place across multiple locations, including Oklahoma City, San Antonio, Seattle and Indianapolis. The commercial engine replacement program forms part of a wider effort to upgrade all 76 B-52H Stratofortress aircraft to the B-52J configuration. Alongside the engine replacement, the broader modernization effort includes the B-52 radar modernization program, which replaces the AN/APQ-166 radar with the AN/APQ-188 AESA active electronically scanned array radar derived from systems used on the F/18E/F and F-15 fleets. One aircraft fitted with the new radar was ferried to Edwards Air Force Base on the 8th of December 2025 for testing by units from Edwards and Barksdale Air Force Bases. Together, the new engines and radar are intended to improve fuel efficiency, range, maintainability and sensor performance. The B-52J program also includes structural and avionics upgrades designed to keep the bomber in service through 2050 as part of a future 2-aircraft strategic bomber fleet alongside the B-21 Raider. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.